Students, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to make a rectangle with rounded corners and how to add the lightning bolt to your custom shapes. In lesson 7, it uses the rounded rectangle tool. And in the past, there was a rounded rectangle tool, but on the new version of Photoshop, that was removed. So the way you create a rounded rectangle tool is to use the rectangle shape. So I'm going to go down here and I'll select the rectangle. And then on the rectangle shape menu across the top, there's an option to set the radius of rounded corners. And I already went ahead and set it to 30. So anyway, you literally just type a number in here in pixels. So 30 makes a nice side rounded shape. So that's what you could use on the lesson 7 assignment when you're making the rounded rectangle. So then you'll just obviously make your shape, and then when you do, you'll have the rounded corners on the side of your rectangle. Like I said, if you're using the newest version of Photoshop, there will not be a rounded rectangle tool in the software. Now, the other thing on the newest version of Photoshop is the custom shape for the lightning bolt you'll need to add. So once again, just go up to Window, and then under Window, and these are in alphabetical order, you're going to select Shapes. And this will bring up the Shapes dialog box. And on the very right-hand corner, the upper right-hand corner, there's 3 tiny lines. If you select that, that'll open up the menu. And then what you're going to do is come down here where it says Legacy Shapes and More. Select that, and then that'll add that to your Shapes menu. And then under the Shapes menu, under the All Legacy Default Shapes, and then under Nature, you'll find the lightning bolt. So, like I said, if you're using the newest version of Photoshop, you're going to need to add in the legacy shapes, because the lightning bolt is now considered to be a legacy shape. So you'll just need to go and add that into your shape. So once again, the way I did that is I just went up to Window. Under Windows, you're going to select Shapes. That'll open this dialog box. Select the menu option in the upper right-hand corner, and then you're just going to select the Legacy Shapes and More, and then it'll add it to your Shapes menu. So I hope you found this video helpful. And one of the things about Photoshop is when it became the Adobe Creative Cloud and all the software became cloud-based that we download, is every 6 months there are updates for the Photoshop software. So that's a positive thing, because they're always creating new options to use, but it also makes it a little bit more challenging whenever they when they move things that you're used to using in a different location, or you have to create it in a different way. So good luck to you on lesson 7 and 8, and I hope this video is helpful.